To fix a Bosch washing machine that's stuck on 1 minute, a step-by-step approach can be taken. The issue may be due to technical glitches, such as software errors or power surges, which can often be resolved with a reset. To reset the machine, it should be detached from its power supply and left unplugged for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing any residual power to dissipate. After this time has elapsed, the machine can be reconnected to the power outlet. Another possible cause is an unbalanced load, which can be addressed by checking the load to determine if it's excessive or insufficient. If the load is too heavy, some items should be removed and the cycle tried again. Conversely, if the load is too light, more items should be added. A loose or defective drain hose can also cause the machine to become stuck. And to fix this, the machine should be unplugged and the hose inspected for signs of damage or blockages. If the hose is loose, it should be tightened. If it's damaged beyond repair, it may need to be replaced, potentially with the assistance of a professional. By following these steps, it's possible to resolve the issue and get the washing machine functioning properly again.